Hi, I'm Brittany from prettyhandygirl.com, and today I want to show you how to make these built-in benches. Yeah, these suckers aren't going anywhere. And the beauty is I made all of them using these battery-powered tools from Craftsman. So let me show you how easy it is to build these fire pit benches and how wonderful it was not having to pull an extension cord out to the job site. The folks at Craftsman sent me all the battery-powered tools used in this project. They also sent me this Bluetooth speaker to play some tunes on while I work. The speaker doubles as a USB charger if my phone battery gets low while jamming out. First things first, before building your fire pit benches, clear your build area. It took me a bit of physics ingenuity to clear out the old rotting stump seats from our fire pit area, but pretty soon the area was clear and I was ready to start building. Begin by driving a stake into the center of your fire pit area. Measure out 5 feet from your fire pit center, or the distance you want your benches to sit. Then attach a string to the stake, make a loop big enough to fit your hand through at the 5-foot mark, insert your hand into the loop, and use a can of spray paint to trace a circle around the fire ring. Cut 2x10 pressure-treated lumber to the size you want your bench tops. I alternated 4-foot and 5-foot benches for our fire pit. Figure out where you want your benches to sit and mark the locations of the support posts. The support posts are spaced about 18 inches narrower than your bench seats. Dig a hole 3 times as wide as your posts, and the depth will be determined by your frost line referred to in your local building codes. Place a layer of drainage rock into the bottom of each hole. Use one of your 4x6 posts to tamp the rock down into the hole. Now it's time to determine your post depth. Measure the depth of your hole, add 16.5 inches to the depth, and cut your post to this length. I had my doubts that this battery-powered saw from Craftsman could cut through all the pressure-treated 4x6s, but with a fully charged battery and a steady feed, they cut through each post. Set your first post in the hole, then set your bench seat on top of the post. Level the bench seat and measure the distance between the bench seat and the bottom of your hole to determine the length of your other support post. Set that second support post into the hole and add or remove drainage gravel until the bench seat is leveled. Line up the 2 support posts so they are even and plumb in both directions. Secure a scrap 2x4 between the posts to hold them in place while adding the concrete mix. Follow the directions on your concrete mix and allow the posts to set overnight. To cut the support pieces, trace a trapezoid shape onto a 2x6. The narrowest part of your trapezoid should be the width of your posts, and the widest part of your trapezoid should be 1 inch narrower than your bench depth. Each support post gets 2 trapezoid support pieces sandwiched onto either side. Use a clamp to hold the supports while you level them. Then drill 3 pilot holes into each support piece. Drive 3/8 inch anchor screws into the pilot holes. Place your bench seat on top of the support posts. Center the seat from side to side and front to back. Attach the bench seat into the support trapezoids with 2.5 inch deck screws. Using a circular object like a glass or water bottle, trace a curve onto each corner of your bench seat. Use a jigsaw to cut along the lines and round off the sharp corner. Sand all surfaces and edges smooth on your bench. Wipe off with a damp rag and finish your benches with paint, stain, or a sealant. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and before you go, don't forget to click that subscribe button to get notified when I post more DIY projects. Bye! Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to click that like button below if you liked it. And hey, don't forget to click that subscribe button up there, and you'll never miss another DIY video tutorial from Pretty Handy Girl again. Speaking of not missing anything, I'm on all these social channels. Come find me at Pretty Handy Girl.